What is going on YouTube today? We have another video on another breakdown on my three favorite pairs, NAS 100, US 30, and Euro USD. So last time it was the second video. If y'all haven't watched the video that I had posted yesterday, which came for I believe it's the recap, make sure you check in the description below. I got that video posted right there. And if you haven't already, guys, show me a like or something to show that you're fucking with the content. Just let me know and see how you feeling about everything and stuff like that and how I'm trading, okay? So just for a quick little recap on this one, we're gonna be going over some order blocks and some potential entry setups that I'm gonna be taking this week. Monday was a really good day. Tuesday, there was no trades that were presented itself. And we're gonna go ahead and see what Wednesday can kind of show for us, all right? So breaking this down, I'm gonna go ahead and get started right now. So yesterday we have a new high and a new low of a previous day. We got area of price, which is consolidating up and down. So there's no real entries just getting worked on or whatever. So right now we see Euro USD is just trucking for buys and stuff like that. So I'm looking for like a really good area to join in on that. Let me see. Yeah. So it seems like the Euro USD kind of left us with the buy and stuff like that. I do have an alert up there for a sell. So if it does come up over there, I'm expecting price to go down, maybe hit this demand level right here, and then shoot up for higher highs. So that's what I'm expecting. So we're just gonna wait and see and stuff like that. It's not 9:30 yet, so we just gotta be patient and let the trade come to us. So now we're about to go over to US 30. Let's go. All right, US 30, basically what I explained in the last video. If you see London session right here, this is the area that I had highlighted. This is the area that I had found interesting. Price came close to it, but it ended up dropping. It did nothing but sell that whole time. So yeah, it's kind of, it's like that. But it's like that sometimes. You'll see price like it'll hit like a zone or potential zone that you have and stuff like that, and it will completely touch it by the hair or about 2 hairs, and it just makes you just like, oh, I don't know if I should get in this. But if it's not part of your trading plan, don't take it, because there's definitely I know you've definitely seen some of your even own personal setups where it actually does go into your zone and you made profit and stuff like that. So just be patient. This area right here, let me see, this is the low, but Asia took that low out. So I'm seeing an area right here. This is the last area for price that had entered on the 15-minute. But we have a long way to go, and we're still waiting for New York session, and I'm not seeing anything again today. And like I tell y'all, that's okay. It's all about what you see in the markets and stuff like that, and not what somebody else sees. Just take this as education and stuff like that, but trust and believe me, I know what I'm doing. So we're gonna go over for the final one, NAS 100, and get this thing rolling. All right, so NAS 100, what it did yesterday, it basically did the same thing what I explained for US 30. But this time price came even closer to my zone for me to go ahead and kind of take that trade. So if it would have hit that and we would have had maybe stops right there, that's definitely, this is definitely some good price action nonetheless. So let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and check when that buy actually started. That's what I wanted to see. Yeah. Okay. So I tried to make it make sense, but it doesn't, and that's okay, because I'm not it wasn't my trade. So I'm not even gonna worry about that. What I am gonna worry about is the next zones of what price can target for. This area right here, it definitely might still be valid. So matter of fact, the only trade that I'm be concerned on taking right now, I mean, unless it's like Euro USD, or if anything other thing hits my zone, I'm gonna take it. But as of right now, this zone is looking pretty good. I do want to wait for a New York session to open to kind of see what's, you know, kind of going on with that. So I just got to be patient. So I'm going to go down to the 3-minute to kind of do some investigating on price, because it definitely did like a little fake out right here. You see all this buy selling and stuff like that. So it definitely did. So let me see. Yep, just waiting for it. Yeah, I'm just waiting for price to get in there just a little bit. So I'm gonna be giving you guys a recap, and hopefully, if it lets me, I'll go ahead and get on the live and stuff like that, so I can actually just go over this with y'all like in person when it comes to like me taking the trade and whatnot. So yeah, so you know, I'm seeing this buy. It's getting to the end of the year. This is normally when these two indices just kind of shoot up and break you know, previous highs and stuff like that. So that's what I'm anticipating. I don't know when it's gonna do it, but yeah. So guys, if you find value in this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. I do have my Telegram up and running and stuff. So if you join my Telegram, you'll basically see like I'll put the entries and stuff like that of when I'm specifically getting in. When I do on this YouTube, it's just like educational stuff. So I show you this before I take the trades, and I show you after I take the trades when it comes to YouTube. But if you join my Telegram, you'll be right there with me when I take these trades, and maybe that'll give you a little bit of confidence to take your own setups and stuff like that. I don't know, but that's what I'm hoping for you guys. Also, you know, join my Instagram. That way I'm just posting some helpful tips and stuff like that if you kind of need that kind of inspiration. If not, it's cool. But there is one thing I do want to tell you guys that I have noticed and stuff like that. When you trade and you're seeing a setup, I highly recommend you trade during either London session or New York session. Remember, any kind of price action that is getting worked on in Asian session is just not valid. And I'm going to show you two examples right now on NAS right here. So, you know, just like with this, you got double tops, you know, it went to a buy, so it knocked it out. But you can't trust these highs and lows because it's constantly breaking it. Like this one right here, this is a ton of equal highs. And then it made like this little truck, it broke structure, then went up and then take down. Like that looks like Wyckoff to me. And this one right here is pretty much the same too. You just can't trust the lows and highs of the Asian session. I just want to tell you guys that to help you saving some money. I'll catch y'all guys in the next one. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Peace.